Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the water inlet hose in your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the hose is damaged and it's leaking water out of the washer. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT20 star bit, a pair of channel locks, and a pair of pliers. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore. And keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. First thing we're going to do is we're going to shut the water off. And now we're going to get our washer turned around. And now we're going to disconnect the hoses. So we're going to use a pair of channel locks and turn them. And you might also want to make sure you have either towels or a bucket standing by, because there will most likely still be water in your lines. Now we have to remove the 3 screws holding the top piece on. And to do that, we're going to use a VT20 star bit. And now that the screws are off, we can pull the top back, and then it should lift right off. So this right here is our water inlet hose. And in order to get it out, we're going to have to take off the 2 clamps that are holding it on right there. I'm just using my pair of pliers to loosen this up. Move that back. And with that side off, I can just take that side and remove that. So we're going to remove the clamp from the hose here. And that's just squeezing it down and moving it back a bit. Now that we have the tube off of that side, it'll be a little bit easier because we can maneuver this around now from the inlet flow meter here. You're just going to want to be careful that you don't pull on this too hard because it's also attached to your dispenser. So just don't damage anything while you take that off. There we go. And now I'm going to take the clamps off of our old hose here. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement hose. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll put the clamps back onto the hose here. You want to just get this one on the other side of the bend. Right about there. Should be good. And now we can put it back into place. So we're just going to put the hose onto our flow meter here. And just slide that on until you can't get it on anymore. Get the hose onto the water inlet valve right here. And push that hose all the way in place. And now that we have the hose in place, again, we're just going to grab the clamps and we're just going to move those into place so they lock and form a secure connection with the different valves. And now we'll put the clamp back into place here. And it's going to take some doing, getting it around that corner there. There we go. Now we'll put the top of the washer back on. So we'll slide that down and then push it forward and into place. And now we'll screw the screws back in. And now we can reattach our water hoses. Now we can turn the water back on, make sure there's no leaks, and plug everything else in. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.